Finishing high school isn't an ending, it's a beginning. Marian University's Ancilla College can be your first step on that journey. We're small enough to know your name and big enough to offer life-changing opportunities. At Marian, you get the best of both worlds: personal attention and a major university experience. You learn by doing, seeing, and exploring, surrounded by smiling faces at a campus rooted in friendship and faith. Start your college journey with one of our 2-year associate's degree programs, or earn your bachelor's degree in nursing or education. Located in nearby Plymouth, Marian is immersed in Catholic Franciscan values and welcomes all beliefs. Feeling competitive? Our champion-level athletics challenge both the body and mind. No matter your path, Marian helps you succeed, both professionally and personally. And Marian helps make your college journey financially manageable. 99% of Marian students receive financial aid. The first step on your college journey could be closer than you think, because at Marian University in Plymouth, you don't have to go far to go big. Join us at Marian University's Ancilla College.